am Aashi, going to Gallimore Elementary, and today we are going to make fluffy slime. We are going to need Elmer's glue. Well, we need glue to help it stick, the slime stick. We need Tide to kind of give it its effect. I prefer Tide, but you can use any different kind of activator. We need shaving cream. I prefer Barbasol because it's very thick and nice. And you need baking soda. You can use any kind. I use Arm Hammer because it's very rising. And you need any different kind of colors around your house. I choose nail polish, and you also need some kind of cream. The first step is that you add glue. You need about this much to make your slime. And the slime will end up close to this. So then you kind of mix the glue so it turns around and kind of sticks together. Then you add a bit of Barbasol, as much fluffy as you want. You should use about this much for your slime. Mix it together until it's fully together. You see it's starting to stick together now. Now you add just a teensy bit of Tide. If it doesn't stick together fully, then you add a teensy bit more, just about that much. See? And then it should start sticking together like this. Mine has already started sticking together a bit. And now you take a little bit, piece by piece, and just see how it feels. If you don't want to do this, you can just ask someone. You can just keep on mixing it until it's good. But I prefer just doing this to check if it's good. Now you see it looks like it needs a bit more mixing. So I'm just going to use my hands a bit, and I'm just going to, maybe it needs a bit more Tide. I am just going to wipe my fingers and be right back. And it looks like that we could use a bit more Tide. A bit more. See, so it looks like it's mostly sticking together now. I'm going to give it a little feel. Oh, it looks like it's ready. So you take a little bit, play with it for a while, until it gets less sticky. Now you can do it all at one time, but I do little by little. And if you don't want to watch me play with this for quite a while, then you can just skip forward until I am done. So, if you won't like to watch this, you can on the comments, you can tell me some things about yourself. Like, do you like slime? How did your slime turn out? If you're an expert with slime, tell me some tips I can work on. And if you know someone named Nisha, she was the one who taught me how to play slime, so maybe you should give her some tips too. You can tell me your name, what school you go to, and what kind of slime you like to make. Fluffy, normal, very sticky, colorful, unicorn, putty. Do you like to make it blue, pink, purple? Do you like to make it glittery? And then you should, if it takes quite a while, then you can add as much as you want and keep on playing with it until it kind of evaporates and it gets less and less sticky while you play with it. It's gonna take quite a while, but this, after you're done, I think you're gonna get a good, nice slime. And you might suggest some different colors. And you might suggest a nice brand of paint I can use, or a different brand of nail polish. Wow, this is sticky. Mom, can we stop? Done playing with my slime. Then I will take just this much of baking soda and then fold over it. You can maybe stretch it, but I prefer folding it. And then you just kind of, move your hands in it until it's, sunk in. And then you'll see it's a bit riser. But if your slime doesn't go as planned, like I've been experimenting with slime for quite a while before I learned how to make actual slime. And don't be disappointed. Just try different kinds of ways. And if you added too much glue, it's too sticky, maybe you should add a teensy more Tide. And if you add too much Tide that it becomes so clumpy, then you should add just a couple drops of it. And then I'm gonna choose one of these. I'm gonna choose this. All you have to do is add a couple of drops, but I like to just paint on it any design I want, and then I just do it. I did a star design with dots around it, and now I'm just going to fold it over and then stretch it out. And then you should try to break it and see if there's like stuff, like lines. Then you should keep on mixing it until you get the perfect color that you want. Now this might take a while until you get the perfect color, and if it doesn't turn out as planned, then maybe you should check up some colors that make it like the color you want. So maybe you should try different shades. I am choosing a cotton candy blue nail polish because it kind of helps. I like nail polish because it helps with the smell and it gives you a stronger color than paint. Now you see I'm just adding a touch of blue right now because I don't want to make it too blue. Because I'm a fan of blue, but not dark blue like this. George, we have to go poopy. Take poopy out. And now I am done with the perfect fluffy slime. And it ended up perfect for me. Just like the one I made before. And if yours turns like sometimes not sticky and it ends up like that, you take a bit of cream and you add it over here, and then so you keep on playing with it until it becomes just like you want it. And if you don't have cream, then you should use a bit of hand sanitizer or maybe dip it in hot water. Then you'll get a nice effect. Please subscribe to my channel and add some likes. Thank you.